Hello YouTube, my name is Angel Bogdan. I'm a professional graphic and web designer with over 8 years of experience, and in this video I'm going to tell you about 5 must-know websites with free resources for graphic designers and why those are some of my favorites. Pexels offers hundreds of thousands of stock photography and videos, with new high-resolution content being added every day. All of them completely free and licensed under the Pexels license. Photos and videos are nicely tagged, searchable, and also easy to discover through the discovery page. DrawKit offers hand-drawn vector illustration and icon resources completely free. It also offers animation packs that are available for free under DrawKit license. Undraw. Another great website that offers free illustrations is Undraw. It allows you to download in SVG or PNG format, and the awesome stuff about it is that you can change the color directly from their website before downloading. Adobe Color offers a great and innovative tool that allows you to create color palettes based on specific color harmony roles. It's possible to create color palettes for all color modes. In addition to that, it's got a nice option that allows you to extract colors from an image and save them. Plus, there's an addition that will assist you in creating color palettes for accessibility. In addition to that, it's got dark mode and it allows you to explore the latest trends in colors. Another thumbs up for Adobe. Google Fonts. This may sound basic, but I believe it's actually one of the best places where you can get your fonts from for free. Especially that they've got so many varieties and styles that you can choose. And if you click on one of the fonts, it will show you some ideas how you can mix them with some other fonts. In addition to that, those fonts can be easily implemented to user interfaces for mobile apps or websites. As a bonus, I would like to remind you about Envato Elements, one of my favorite websites for graphic design resources ever. I promote this one simply because it's the best place where I can get most of my resources for my personal projects or for clients, including music, stock photography or video, mockups, interfaces, fonts, WordPress themes, and it's got even 3D models. With unlimited downloads for commercial use for less than €15 per month, I think is the best deal that you can get. Hope you enjoyed this video, and also remember to subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what other great websites with free resources you know. Let's just help each other out. And I'll see you into the next video.